underneath the dash on the passenger side, below the glove box, there's a trim panel right here. You want to grab underneath and gently pull forward. Now up underneath the back, we're going to see these 2 silver Phillips head screws. I want to go ahead and remove those, and then we'll be able to go ahead and pull out the blower motor resistor. Now with the 2 screws removed, go ahead and pull the resistor out. Now I want to go ahead and release the harness here. I'm going to press in on this little tab and wiggle the connector out of the back. Now this is keyed in a specific way, so it has like a chevron on one side and these corners are cut off over here. So it is specific for installation. This is the way it goes in. Let's go ahead and get it installed. Now I'm not going to tighten this down all the way. I just want to get the thread started. I want to get the other screw started, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it down. I can go ahead and get that side screw started with my fingertips. Then we'll try and get it a little bit further with the screwdriver. And we'll finish it up with the 7mm socket extension and swivel. All right, let's go ahead and snug these down. I'm going to go ahead and install these rubber grommets into the rear mounting tabs in the back. As you bring up the lower panel,